Welcome to Techy Panther. In this video, I will show you what are the database files in WhatsApp folder. Are these files important? And is there any chance of losing our WhatsApp chats if we delete them? So let's start. At first, I will show you where you can find the database folder in your mobile phone. At first, open your file manager application, then go to your internal storage, then you can find the WhatsApp folder, and here you can find the database. Here all the database files remain. Now, what are these database files? These files are actually your WhatsApp chat backup, which occurs automatically at 2 AM every night. If you uninstall WhatsApp and then reinstall it, the latest database file will work as your WhatsApp chat backup and will help you to restore your WhatsApp chat. But remember, these files do not include your media files like photos, videos, audios, etc. Now, this database folder consumes a huge part of your storage. Suppose to get rid of this, you accidentally deleted all the database folder including all the automatic backups just before uninstalling your WhatsApp, and you have to uninstall it right now. So what you will do now? Can you still restore your chats? Don't worry. Before uninstalling your WhatsApp, just open it, then go to the three dots or more options, then go to settings. Now you go to chats and then chat backup, and here you can click backup. It will manually backup all your chats like the database files, which automatically occur at 2 AM every night. You can see my local last backup was at 2 AM. Now I am doing it manually. Meanwhile, I have deleted all the database files which are automatically backed up, and you can see my manual backup is complete. You can see the time. So let's go to files and check. Yes, you can see it here. You can see the time. This is my new manual backup. Now you can simply uninstall your WhatsApp and surely you will get a restore option when you reinstall it.